Alright, going to do a box break here of 2011 Contenders Hockey. SidelineSportsCollectibles.com. That's kind of what the base cards look like this year. Nice looking product. A dual NHL ink. Not numbered at all. One of the Calder Contenders, McMillan, numbered to 999. Must have some of the rookies not numbered or not autographed that are numbered. At least Panini finally numbered some stuff for a change in this product. Cup Contenders, numbered to 999. Calder Contenders, 370 of 999. Got a black Calder Contenders, numbered 11 out of 100. Thought maybe those were supposed to be autographed. They must have been non-autographed versions to them, looking like. NHL ink, Posma. Says 3 autos per box this year, so there's my rookie Emelin, 150 of 800. Last pack. Contenders Legacies. Patrick Waugh, numbered to 999. So there you have it. It's 2011-12 Contenders box break. Sideline Sports, Crossroads Mall, St. Cloud, Minnesota.